Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best food dehydrators. Through extensive research and testing, we've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Nesco FD75A Snackmaster Pro Food Dehydrator. Anyone new to food dehydrators will want to learn on a quality, user-friendly device that won't break the bank. For those looking to spend less than $100, the best food dehydrator for your money is another Nesco option, the Snackmaster Pro. Just like the Garden Master, it has an adjustable thermostat to dry fruit, vegetables, and meat quickly, and features a light-blocking exterior to conserve nutrients. However, the Snackmaster Pro has slightly less drying power, 600 watts, and only accommodates up to 12 trays. It comes with 5. It may be slightly less powerful than its counterpart, but the Snackmaster Pro still attracts legions of fans. "I am amazed at how well it works," a customer wrote. "It is quiet and works without flaw. It dehydrates evenly and it cleans up easily. The temperature control is nice and easy. I would highly recommend this one to anyone, but beginners, especially." Another added, "I've had it for about 2 years now and it was one of the best purchases I have made. The price is great for what you are getting, and so far I've had great results with mine." Pros: low cost. Easy to use. Compact and easy to store. Dishwasher safe trays. Cons: no visibility. Number 2. Kossori Premium Stainless Steel Dehydrator. Who else recommends it? Taste of Home and This Old House both picked the Kossori Premium Stainless Steel Dehydrator. 45. What do buyers say? 86% of 200 plus Amazon reviewers rated this product 5 stars. One of the sleekest dehydrators you'll find. This Kossori model is black and stainless steel with a glass door that lets you keep an eye on the drying process. It's got a digital control panel that is easy and intuitive to use and arrives fully assembled. Simply set the time and temperature, which can be set to operate up to 48 hours and between 95 and 165 F. Our lab and at-home testers love the automatic shut-off feature, the whisper-quiet operation, and the machine's stellar performance. Everything our testers made came out very evenly dehydrated with no cracking and peeled off the trays nicely. Our at-home tester also noted that it was easy to dehydrate foods to different textures. You'll receive 6 stainless steel drying trays, 1 mesh screen that can be used to dehydrate small fruit, a cookbook, and 1 fruit roll sheet. Cleanup is easy since all the food trays are dishwasher safe. Pros: customizable time and temperature settings. Very even dehydrating from level to level. Quiet operation. Automatic shut-off. Cons: large countertop footprint. Number 3. Excalibur Electric 9-Tray Food Dehydrator. Let's face it, if you're doing a lot of dehydrating, you want something that can handle both jerky and fruit. You can't consider something the overall best food dehydrator unless it can do both. You're also going to need something which has a lot of capacity. That's where the Excalibur 9-Tray model comes into play. With 15 square feet of drying space, you can handle a massive harvest of fruit and vegetables, or you can make pounds and pounds of jerky. Or you can do both. The choice is up to you. I just have to give Excalibur credit for 40 years of making high-quality dehydrators in the US. They're reliable, they're reparable, and the 10-year warranty is unbeatable. With the same functionality as the 5-tray mentioned below, this 9-tray model works beautifully. And that's important if you have a lot to dry. These are extremely sturdy and well-constructed dehydrators with many years of lifespan. They are higher priced than other models, but you're supporting an American business while getting a dehydrator that won't just die on you. And that's worth paying for. Pros: suitable temperature range for preserving meat. Extra long timer. Large tray capacity. Dishwasher safe trays. Cons: difficult to store. Number 4. Presto 06300 Dehydroelectric Food Dehydrator. This streamlined model from Presto may not have all the bells and whistles of higher-end dehydrators, but it's an excellent bang for your buck. It's a surprisingly powerful workhorse, reaching temperatures of 165 degrees Fahrenheit to dry everything from fresh produce to herbs. The plug-in device can expand to fit up to 8 trays, and it has a transparent cover so you can monitor the drying process of the food on the top tray. Additionally, the drying trays and cover are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Amazon customers love the compact dehydrator for its durability and affordable price. I have been curious about dehydrators for a while, and after using my oven to dry a few vegetables, I decided to invest in a dehydrator, but I didn't want to put a lot of money into it in case I didn't use it often, one wrote. The first thing I tried and it was kale chips. I was amazed at how quickly the dehydrator works. It's also easy to clean. It's easy to use in general, in fact. For the price tag, this product far exceeded my expectations. I can't think of anything about it I don't like. Number 5. Magic Mill Food Dehydrator Machine. Our lab testers gave this machine perfect scores across the board for ease of use, ease of cleaning, performance, design, and noise. The timer goes from 30 minutes up to 24 hours and has an automatic shutoff as well as a keep warm feature. This dehydrator arrives fully assembled and includes 7 stainless steel trays, 2 mesh trays for small or sticky items, 2 non-stick solid trays for fruit rolls, a cookbook, and a silicone oven mitt. All trays are dishwasher safe and very easy to clean. Our lab testers noted that the food dried very evenly from level to level, did not crack, and peeled off easily. The machine also came up to temperature after 40 minutes and stayed at the same temperature almost the whole time. Testers noted that it operated very quietly, too. The front door is see-through and easy to open, and it stays open when you need to access the contents of the trays. The trays slide in and out easily, and the digital controls are easy to use. What we like: super quiet operation, consistently great results, auto shut-off and keep warm features. What we don't like: slightly bulky.
Alright guys, that's all for now. Please leave a like on the video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.